I've got an Ipsy mystery bag. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out behind me. You can kind of see him there. And Chloe is folding laundry. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is one of the $32 glam bags. They say you're going to get 5 items. And I'm going to see 5 in here. Now, the name of it escapes me, but I will look that up and I'll have it in the description, or maybe the name of it actually. But it is like a nice size travel bag, similar to a train case style. I always feel like a train case should have an extra level though. Like it should have a, I don't know, it should have like 2 levels. But also makes a cute little lunch bag. I mean, it's not insulated, but if that's not a concern of yours, it does make a cute little lunch bag. By Etika, we have 2 hair clips, which are kind of a clear plastic little dots, and they are cute. I know Etika though, they overcharge for their stuff. Considering it's made in China, like it's overcharged. By Aceology, we have the green tea mask, and my daughter loves the Aceology masks. And it's quite pricey too. I think this is like around $60, so not a bad little haul. By Context, we have a dual lip liner, locked in and forever free. All right, so these are going to be your colors. By LYS, we have their highlighter brush. I love the LYS brushes. I will tell you that. Got a bunch of them half off and love them. So here it is, and it is soft and lovely. Yes, fantastic. And by Mitchell and Peach, we have the English Growers Body Souffle, Flora number 1. It's like a fancy script. All right, and that is all sealed up, so I'm not going to unseal it. It does sound nice though, Body Souffle. Ooh, I want to try that. All right, so that is my mystery bag. I think I got some really nice items in there. So I actually like this one better than the one I opened up just previous to this, but on a different video. And I think this one was far better, far more things that I'm going to use. And the price points. Again, the Etika is overpriced, yes, but these 3 items right here, definitely worth it. The brush, the face mask, and the body souffle. The lip liner, I mean, it's a nice lip liner, but I don't know that I'll have use for it. It does look like it's nice and creamy, but I don't want to play with it because I'm probably going to put that into an upcoming really cool giveaway that we're going to be having as part of a collab. So I'm just going to tease you with that, and make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much to us here, and hopefully I'll see you soon.